Hey everybody, so I am hitting the streets with my baskets and I'm so excited. I'm super excited. I have done many vendor events, but I've never just freestyle set up somewhere. But I am so excited. Look, Boss Lady Fee, Yummy Tea, Essential, I think it's Essential Piece of Life. Look, they done got me so pumped up. I think I dreamed about setting up. I am so excited about getting out here with my baskets on these streets. I don't know what do y'all. I mean, this is like a excitement for me. I'm gonna take y'all with me as I go through the day, see how it go. I'm just gonna just get out here. I mean, cause it can't be no different than doing them pop-up shops, and it took courage for me to even start doing them. But I got my baskets in here. I went. Look, I was so hyped up by Yummy Teas last night. She was out late at the gas station and she was hustling. I said, get it, make that money. I was super excited. I loved it. I loved it. I loved it. I loved it. So I'm getting out here and gonna try to get them sold. So I done took off from work Monday because I'm gonna do the dip treats to have out, because people, I know from my years of selling, it never fails. They will wait till today, tomorrow, Monday, and definitely Tuesday, the actual day, even though it's on a weekday, to want baskets. They do not shop in advance. Very seldom will I have somebody, but my messenger will start popping. You got more baskets? You got more baskets? I need a basket for my 2 kids. Oh, I need a basket for my mom and my sister. I need a basket for my wife. Now, the only ones that I get early requests, because I tell them, is personalized ones, because I know one year I was making baskets, like I was so exhausted, and I was like, these custom baskets, I'm not doing them at the last minute. And if I do them at the last minute, they're gonna pay some money for me to be doing these custom personalized baskets with the chip bags and the personalized teddy bears and all that stuff. That stuff take time to do. You got to, if I embroider it, or if I'm doing with the Cricut, or if I'm making them personalized chip bags, or the personalized treat covers and stuff at the last minute with names and all of that takes time. But y'all, I'm so excited. I'm so excited to get out here and get these baskets sold. Oh my gosh, I am super duper excited. So I'm so glad. I prayed so hard because it was supposed to rain today, and I prayed hard. I said, Lord, please don't let it rain. And the Lord is so merciful. He did not let it rain. Thank you, Jesus. It's beautiful. It's a little bit colder than I like, but guess what? I don't care. I don't care if it was, even if it was raining, I was going to be out here. Even if it was raining, I was still coming out. I don't care. And I said tomorrow, Super Bowl going on, I don't care. Everybody ain't going to be watching the Super Bowl tomorrow, so I'm going to still be out. I'm going to be out tomorrow. As soon as I get out of church, my car going to already be loaded up. Whatever I got to restock, I'll be right to that house tonight when I get back home, making more baskets to come back out. Monday, I'm going to be out early. I'm going to be out early. I think them kids is out of school down here in Maryland. That's okay, because, honey, I'm going to be out with my dip treats, baskets. I got my balloons. I made sure I stopped and got my balloons, y'all. I'm excited to get these baskets sold. Oh my goodness. I mean, they sell every year. Last year I had went to a vendor event. Nobody was making sales, but I was killing it. I mean, they were buying them Valentines Day baskets up, and I know this probably sound bad, but I wasn't feeling bad, because look, I knew what the occasion was, and that's one thing. If you do vendor events, make stuff that is themed towards what the actual event is for. Valentine's Day, I knew people were buying. They didn't even care how much it cost. They were, oh, how much? Oh, I want 2. Oh, I want 5. because I make the little kids ones too. They were buying all of them. They were buying all of them up. But I'm trying to. I want to get somewhere where I might get over there. Shoot, the only thing they can do is tell me to leave. That's the only thing they can tell me to do is leave, or I can't be there. That's the only thing they can say to me. Where I'm at, it's a lot of traffic. Where I live at, it's a lot of traffic. But I want to get where I know it's really a lot of traffic. So I'm going a little ways from my house. So I'm going to come back on y'all when I am actually set up. I'm excited, y'all. Well, I have gotten 2 no's. But that's fine. I'm going to set up. I don't care. If I have to set up and then they have to tell me I got moved, I do not care. So I have gotten 2 no's, and guess what? I'm going to the next person. Everybody not going to tell me no. I'll be back. All right, so I done just set up. I done just took a chance, y'all. I'm going to show y'all my setup. So I'm out here with my baskets. I'm getting ready to walk to this road holding a basket in my hand to draw in some people. All right, I'll be back on later. Well, I done sold my first basket, and he bought the biggest one I had, which was the most expensive. So that goes to show you they don't care what the price is. Get out here. I'm going to the road holding my basket up. I'm going to switch it out for a bigger one to draw more attention. But get out here and sell these baskets. How you doing? Good. Oh, I appreciate it.
Okay.
I have them for children, men, and women.
Okay, what you got for men?
So,
you know he get on my nerves.
So this is men. Okay, so this is more. Well, it does have body, but it's got a snack one in it.
Okay.
Let me
much
see.
is this
This one here is 50. It's got the this does have body wash in it.
Yeah, he on
This is just a snack one here, and this one is 20.
Okay. That's for me. Yeah, I'm gonna get that.
Okay.
Here you go.
I sure appreciate it. Thank you so much. You want a card?
Yeah, let me take your card.
And I do baskets year round.
Well, if they come out there and try you, then you leave.
Oh.
Set up, and then because people ride by and rather than go in the store to get something, to get it from you.
Oh, gotcha.
So set up there, and then if they say, "Ma'am, we have to pack stuff up and go somewhere."
I was scared to get out there.
Try it and see what they say.
So yes, they are. I'm going out to the highway, and I am holding the basket up, and that's how I have gotten 2 sales, is by going all the way to the road, holding the basket up so that they can see it. So get out here, y'all. Don't be scared. I just took a chance. This is my first time ever freestyle doing this, and guess what? I'll be doing it again and again and again because I'm so excited. I guess I wouldn't care if they tell me no. I'd be smiling, packing up, ready to go to the next place. But I'm gonna jump back on later. So y'all, I am still out here. I was getting discouraged and I was gonna leave, and something was like, do not leave. Stay out there. And I'm so glad I did because I have made more sales. So I am so happy that I did not let me being discouraged, because I'm going to tell you the honest truth. Doing it by yourself is hard. I told my daughter, I said, look, I need an assistant. Somebody to come out here with me because this is a lot. Especially when you got to use the bathroom, because then I got to pack everything up and I got to leave because I'm not by anywhere that had a bathroom. What do y'all do when y'all got to use the bathroom? I mean, I can only hold it for so long. I know that's TMI. But I told her, I said, I really need somebody out here with me. So my son said, Mommy, I'll come with you tomorrow. And I'm like, well, good, because I need some. I'm going to pay them. I mean, it ain't like they're going to do it for free. I'm going to pay them. But, I mean, you got people coming. I told them I need help. But I am so happy that I did not let my discouragement cause me to leave, because I would have missed out on some sales. And yes, I'm going to stay out here until it gets dark. It is currently 5:10. It's 5:10. I done been out since 12 something. So I have sold, let me see, 1, 2, I'm not sure, I done sold a few baskets. If I hadn't left when I did, I probably could have sold more, but I had left and I was gonna go home because I was like, oh, this is too much. And then I just made up my mind, instead of me taking my table all the way out, I put the baskets on my car. And another thing I'm mad about is I didn't have a sign. So I went, y'all should see this whole jacked up thing I did. I went to Family Dollar and I made me a sign and stood to the highway with this sign and held a basket up. I don't care. Look, somebody on one of these lives said scared money don't make no money. So look, I'm out here. At least I'm, taking a chance. Some people will never take a chance because they're so scared. I'm not going to be scared because I said I don't want to miss out on no money. But I held that sign up and I'm just sitting here and people will stop by. I got my business cards in my pocket, don't be scared, y'all. Just go out there. You might not make a lot of sales. This is my first time. It's way different from doing a vendor event. I will be honest with you. It is a different experience, but it is a learning experience. You don't come out here unprepared. I will say, be prepared. Have all your stuff together. Have a game plan. Know where you're going to set up at. Have everything in place. Have your sign. Have your tables. Have all your stuff in place. Don't just randomly just try to come out. I'm not saying you can't be successful, but me reevaluating the day so far, I feel like if I had planned out better, if I had scoped out and had a set location, if I hadn't, came by myself, if I had planned for when I do have to use the bathroom for one thing, plan for, when multiple people come up, it's so many things that I really didn't even think about, but that's okay. It's a learning experience. I'll be out tomorrow. I'll be out Monday. And I might take off Tuesday. But I'm so glad that I didn't let, when I started to get discouraged, cause me to go home. Because if I did, I would have missed out on some money. So I just want to, tell you how my day is going so far. I'm still happy. I'm still beyond happy because this is the first time I've ever did this. And believe me, I have thoroughly, once I got over myself, I really am glad that I took that step. Thank you for all the creators that are pushing and encouraging. Because, I've been making baskets for years, but I just mainly do it through word of mouth, or, I mainly do it through, people messaging me, or I will do vendor events, but I've never actually just came out and set up a table in the streets like this. Never have done that. And it's a really good experience for me because it really helps me to widen my opportunities of what I can do. So, and people oh, where you gonna be at? You gonna be out tomorrow? You gonna be out on Monday? Oh, well, do you do it is this the only time you do it? Okay. And so, this really helps me to get more customers. So I'm really happy that I took that leap. I'm really happy that I wasn't scared. I'm really happy that I had creators that were on here that were motivating and encouraging. So if you haven't, if you're on the fence, if you're like, I don't know, this, just do it. You ain't gonna be perfect. I wasn't. But this is what my experience been. I'm happy that I came out, and I will be doing it again. So by the time I get to Tuesday, I should have a whole bunch of experience on what it is to set up these tables in the streets, because I'm going to be out here. If it rains tomorrow, I'll be out here with a tent. Don't worry, I will be out. So thank you so much for watching. I probably will be back on to just do a recap of the whole day, because I'm going to sit out here until it gets dark. All right. till I come back on. Hey YouTube family, so I am back home. I just wanted to do a recap of my day out selling baskets, and I will say that I'm happy with the end result, but I do see a lot of improvements that I can make for tomorrow and moving forward. I did sell a lot of baskets. I gave out my cards. I was very comfortable with being out. I did make one mistake though. I shouldn't have moved after I went to use the bathroom, because there was too much traffic and it really overwhelmed me. So moving forward, wherever I set up at, that's where I'm going to stay. But I will say I'm very happy with the actual day. So I encourage all the basket creators that are willing to go ahead out there and do it. I really don't think you will regret it. It's a learning experience because it's way different, like I said, from vendoring. But I'm happy that I, just took that chance and went out. And another thing I want to share, I'm so happy with the feedback, because I did have some people that didn't purchase baskets. And it wasn't because it was anything wrong with my baskets, but they did tell me specifically, a lot of my baskets, which I don't know why I did this, because that's not what I normally do. I had them specific to like the reds and the pinks and the, for women. And so, one lady was like, I wish you had it in purple, or, or they were just giving me feedback, which I was so grateful for. And they actually did still purchase. You know what? They did still make a purchase, but they did give me feedback. Some of them were like, oh, I would purchase for my husband, but he don't use none of the body wash if you had all snacks. So then it was, they just gave me different things. So now I'm going to go back and revamp. Some of them were telling me specific things they were looking for in baskets, my arrangements and everything. So I was very happy with that. And that feedback really, as I was coming back home, I was just thinking about it, how I put things together. So I'm very grateful that customers, they weren't just like, oh, I'm not interested. They actually gave me feedback. So I'm really happy I went out. I'll be out tomorrow, and I'll be out Monday, and I may end up taking off from work to be all out there Tuesday. But get out there. Get out there, get out there, get out there. I encourage you. I really think that you will find that it's a learning experience, but you can make your money. That's one thing I thought about. I was like, they really wasn't questioning the prices based off of, oh, it's too high, because it was like, oh, I went somewhere else and they didn't even hardly have anything, and theirs was this price and this price. They was really looking at, oh, I wish you had it in this color, or, oh, I wish you just had snacks, or, oh, and I believe it was Boss Lady Fee that had said in her video, everybody don't like certain stuff. And so the feedback really, was very helpful, very helpful. So, when I do my Father's Day and my Mother's Day, I don't know why I didn't think, I don't know what I was thinking. Well, for one, I was rushing, but moving forward. All right, I just wanted to give a recap. Great day out there, learning experience. I'll be out there tomorrow and Monday. Have a great rest of your evening. See ya. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can know every time I upload a new video.